for another video. As you all can see here by the title, today's video is going to be a Dollar Tree haul. I don't think I've ever done a Dollar Tree haul on my channel. However, if you follow me on Instagram, and I'll leave my handle across the screen, then you know I love the Dollar Tree and I'm always finding some amazing stuff in the Dollar Tree. This trip was no different. Everything that I'm going to show you today is stuff that I picked up all in one trip. Normally I'm not like that. I'll go to the Dollar Tree, seriously girl, like several times a month. But today I went because I was looking for stuff for my hair. Fall is coming amongst us. I like to wear little headbands or tied up in a ponytail. And girl, I don't have any hair ties. Normally I have a hair tie here. I don't have any hair ties. I'm holding on to this headband for dear life because I don't know where any other ones are. So I popped my head in there to pick up some hair stuff, and of course I came across a couple other things too, and I just thought I would share. So if you like these kind of videos, I will definitely continue to do them in the future. So just leave your comments and your concerns below, and without any further ado, we're gonna jump right into the haul. So this is one of the bags, and then I got another bag over here. I'm gonna show you some of the things that I've already taken out that's not hair related that I'm trying to go ahead and get put away. So the first thing was this Arma Hammer Essentials with Baking Soda Baby Foamy Wash and Shampoo. You get 12 ounces of it. I was excited to see this because this is the one that I've been using for like the last year and a half, almost 2 years. So if you guys are like me, then yes, you want to, you know, keep things, how can I put it, chemical free. You know, you don't want to be putting all kinds of negative stuff on your children and on yourself. However, because that's like the thing now, that kind of stuff can be expensive. You'll go on Walmart and Target and it's like $4 or $5 for a 12 ounce of body wash because it's paraben free or whatever. And I just think that's silly. So when I started seeing this, I started purchasing it in droves. So every time I would go, I'll buy like 3 or 4 of them. I keep some in the kids' bathroom, some in our bathroom. I've vacationed with this before. It's really, really good. It's dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan, so it doesn't have any of the negatives or bad things in it. And it just works. Now, I cannot use the Arma Hammer deodorant under my arms, but the body wash has been working great for our family. So when I saw that they had a baby version, I definitely had to pick that up for Cam. So if you're looking to kind of, you know, stick with paraben free and clean items, definitely look in your local Dollar Tree because they have so much Arm & Hammer. And if you're a person who can use that deodorant, girl, you're in good business. Next thing I picked up was from LA Totally Awesome. This is their laundry pre-wash. I love this. So I used to use the one from Woolite, I think it was, or was it Tide? I can't remember, but I used to pay a lot for it. It was like $8 or $9. A month or so ago, I pulled up on this in the Dollar Tree and I've been using it since. It works on kids' clothes, works on all the stains. You just spray it on the clothes if it's something that's heavily soiled before you actually wash it, and it really, really gets the stains out. So $8 or $1, sis, I'm gonna pay $1. This is good. It is a name brand. This is not a Dollar Tree brand. You probably heard of LA Totally Awesome, I know, for the last 10 or 15 years. Good stuff, and it works really, really well. I've actually switched over to using a lot of their cleaning products because that's where I'm not like the type of person that's like, oh, it's got to be this, that, and da-da. No. When I clean, I want to smell it. I want my nose hairs to burn off, in all honesty. Like, I want to know it's clean. All that foo-foo, potpourri, you know, I use it and it doesn't have any this and it doesn't have any that. And girl, it's not getting clean. Period. Okay, so I'm old school with it. I like Lysol, Clorox, stuff like that. Like, I just like to know it's clean. So this has been good. Then the next thing I picked up was this LA Totally Awesome window clean. I had tried, like I told y'all, to stick with this trend of, you know, using more cleaning products, more sustainable cleaning products and all that stuff. Listen, it doesn't work. We have a lot of glass around our house. Our dining room table is glass. Our end tables are glass. The coffee table is glass because I have children, and smudging and handprints get everywhere. And I tried one that was vinegar based and it just was not getting it crystal clear. So I went back to something that has a little ammonia in it, okay, and it has been working great. So I bought a little spray bottle of this one a few days ago, and I went in there today and they had a 64 fluid ounce for $1, the same dollar. So we'll just be refilling that. I may buy another one to put in all of the bathrooms, and then we'll just refill with these. So I thought that was great to get for $1. Next thing I picked up was this book. This book is by Abrams Images. It says Rosé All Day, the Essential Guide to Your New Favorite Wine by Catherine Cole. This book was $24.95 originally, and I got it for $1. I think this is gonna look so good by our bar. You've probably seen that little bar area we have in vlogs in the past. I love putting little coffee table books and stuff there, anything wine related, because you guys know I love wine. And so I thought this was a great steal for $1. And it's just got little information. I don't know. It's just gonna look good at the bar area. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, but it'll look good by our bar. Little aesthetic, a little decor for $1. Can't beat that. All right, these are the things that are in this bag. I just picked up one of these Absorbine Plus back patches. Clarence pulled a muscle in his back and it's been hurting, so I picked him up a couple of these. These are normally like $5 a pack at Walmart, and so I always pick up 4 or 5 for that same price. I mean, same exact products, it's just saying. And then I need to put this away, but I picked up this. It's this Star Wars Metal Earth 3D metal model kit. Basically you make a full like battleship or something out of these metal pieces. I should Google it to see how much it costs, because I know it's pricier because I've seen these in Target. It's for kids 18 or older, 14 years or older, but Kaden will love this. I actually picked this up to start collecting things of this nature, all the name brand toys for Christmas. So if you don't know, that is a great tip. Start collecting stuff like this, all of your name brand toys. They've got Hot Wheels in there, girl, Matchbox, Match Cars, all of that. Start collecting this stuff for your kids' stockings. It's a very easy, inexpensive way to fill their stockings and kind of knock out Christmas stuff. So I did pick that up. I'm gonna put it in the top closet because that's where I keep all of that for the kids. And then I picked up some more pins. So I actually picked these pins up, I think it was last week, because I needed some more for work. I am a planner. I use a planner effectively and efficiently year-round. I'm a note taker, and for work, I'm constantly having to jot notes and trainings and things like that down. So I love a good pen. I normally, and Papermate and Bic are my favorite, and Pentel. I normally get my pens from like Walmart or Target, but when I came across these in the Dollar Tree, sis, what? Normally I pay like $4 a pack for these pens. So I got some Papermate ones and some Bic ones for $1 for 2. And these Gelocities are my favorite. They write so smooth, you guys. These are amazing. So that's a trick as well. Stop going to Target and Walmart for your good pens. The Dollar Tree does not disappoint. All right, and I guess I'll jump into the hair stuff. Is this all hair stuff? I think it is. Okay. So the first thing I picked up was just a comb. I needed a new one for when I wash my hair. These are amazing. They're super, super thick. This brand is also sold at Walmart, but I like it because it's thick and it tends to get through the thickness of my hair when I'm washing it to get like the deep conditioner and stuff through. I have one that I'm currently using in the bathroom, but this one will probably go in the kitchen because that's where I wash my hair for detangling purposes. I also picked up one of these tease brushes, not to tease my hair, but to swoop them edges up real quick. And I like the fact that it has this pointed end, so when I need to part my hair really well, I can. And so for $1, you can't beat that. Then you guys know the Scuncy brand. They're always in Target and Walmart and are kind of pricey for hair stuff. They have this brand called Sincerely Jewels, and I picked up this beautiful headband. If y'all could see how thick and plush this headband is for $1. Now y'all know this thing would be every bit of 8 something, 9 something in Walmart or Target. $1. And I just thought it was the most beautiful mauve tone. So this is gonna be so cute for fall. As you can see, when my hair gets, you know, close to wash day, I always kind of pull it back in a little headband. So stuff like this always works. And I just think it's gonna be really nice for fall. So I picked that up. Then they had these. So this is still by that Sincerely Jewels brand by Skuncy. These are satin wrapped elastic hairbands. Y'all know these be pricey, okay? In Walmart, Target, I know Silk or Slip makes some, and they're like silk wrapped. Pattern makes them, that Tracy Ellis Ross brand, and they're like $8, $9 a piece. $1, girl. You get 4 of them for $1. So when I need to tie my hair up, I love using stuff that has like a little protectant around it. Satin is really good for your hair. So the first one just has this mauve pink, navy blue, this khaki color, and this like pink, light, very light pink. It's not showing up that way on camera, but it's a very light pink. And then the other one has this beautiful coral color, the same navy blue, cream off-white color, and then a black one. These are gonna be so good for my hair. So I thought this was an amazing steal. Then I picked up these. These are the Gimme 3 shower scrunchies with the, comes with the little suction. These are water resistant scrunchies. So if you're a person who just kind of sometimes like I do, just hop in the shower and then I need to put my hair up, because I'll just get in there sometimes. I don't put my shower cap on or anything. And I get in there and I'm like, dang, I need to tie my hair. This is normally closer to like my salon visit, sometimes like the day before. So these are good to just hang in your shower so you can put your hair up. Then Skuncy also had these like scrunchies, like the bigger scrunchies. You get 2 of them for $1. This beautiful like khaki army green, and then a black one. Again, very just nice fall-esque colors for when you need to throw your hair up. If you want to be matchy with your little fall cardigan or sweater, this would be cute. So I picked some of those up. And I pick up so many of these because I lose them. Like throughout the season, girl, I ain't gonna have half of these shit, okay? So that's another reason why I like going to the Dollar Tree. It's like, why would I go to Walmart or Target and get the same stuff? Like literally, y'all have seen this brand, I know, in Target and Walmart. Get the same stuff for $1. Just saying. So the next thing I picked up was this headband, another one in this pretty like green. Love this. So stretchy. It's gonna be perfect to just kind of pull the hair back with a good pair of leggings and a sweater. Cute. Effortlessly cute is what I like. I also picked one up in that burgundy color. And then they also had this, and I see this brand in Walmart all the time. It's the First Line Evolve brand. This is a Silky Bun Maker. So it has like this piece here, and then this part assists you in like pulling it up in a bun, and it's all satin. Yes, I put my hair up in a bun, again, closer to my wash days and stuff, and I just thought this would be nice for $1. You know this thing $4.97 in Walmart, okay? So for $1, I had to pick that up. Also picked up some goodies, these standard hair ties, because sis, who doesn't use these? You get 15 for $1. And then the bag is empty. The last thing I picked up was this Vaseline Glow. This is their Cocoa Glow body cream. And I love the fact that the Dollar Tree sells these little tubs of body cream, because this is what I actually buy for Caden. So I don't buy him like a big tub of body cream. Doesn't make sense. He is a body cream lover. He does not like lotion. He says it's too slippery. And I prefer using body cream on them anyway because it lasts longer and they don't get ashy as quickly. So you get 2-point-something ounces of this. But if you got kids, girl, and you know, I don't know, this is perfect for the kids. So pick this up for Caden, something he can try. He also likes the Dove one. I buy the Dove men's one for him. Again, just a quick, easy way to keep them hydrated and moisturized, girl, for $1. And that is everything. That is every single thing that I picked up in this trip to the Dollar Tree. As you can see, everything I got was name brand, and I don't even think I spent, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I spent $20. I spent $20 and got all this stuff. So I had to finish the video here, you guys, because my camera cut out. But I just wanted to say that I spent $20 on all those products, and I got a multitude of things. Like, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree, y'all. That's the whole preface or point of this video. So if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any additional questions, just leave them in the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video.